Alright, hey guys, welcome in today. Got a new video that I'm really excited for. It is a Buzz Lightyear, kind of an emoji design. I found this on Google Images and it just caught my attention, so we're gonna try it. So on your sheet of paper, in the middle is probably the biggest, and if you haven't seen my drawing of circles video, it's kind of, I'll put a link in the description for that, because it's kind of like a circle oval, but I'm gonna start it out big in the middle, but I'll use some of those techniques that were in that video. The only supplies that I have here are a pencil, a Sharpie, those will probably be the main ones, and then I got my colors set over here. I do have some markers, a brand new pack of markers, but I don't even know if I'll use those. I just have those. I like doing in crayons a little bit better. In the middle, as I said, kind of an oval shape will be kind of the start of your Buzz Lightyear. And as I do my ovals, I start out really, really lightly, and then I gradually get a little bit darker. I guess this oval shape or egg shape is a little bit more chubby. Lightyear has a little bit thicker of a face, so I guess it's a little bit more flat, kind of up, round on the bottom. Pretty good shape onto that. Okay, and then from there, there's kind of like a purple outline on it. So I'm gonna start with kind of his forehead, which kind of curves down. So if you want to do kind of a curve down for onto there, and then really it kind of follows almost the same curve line down on this side. Follow that. Once you feel confident, you can make that a little bit darker. Same with this side. And then on the bottom, you can just connect the two. All right, so we got a good start onto there. I'm gonna go up in the top corner. He kind of has his eyebrow, and this one's a little bit higher, this one's a little bit lower. I kind of think of them as almost upside down Nike symbols. So it kind of curves up and then goes down. It goes up and then down. The bottom part kind of follows that same, so it kind of has a curve on each side, and then connect them. Almost like a little boomerang, or kind of like I said, an upside down Nike symbol. And then this one, I guess it, all right, and then this one, I would say almost kind of points, so follow that kind of point over here, and you can kind of put a dot to kind of where it points for the other one. And this one is definitely a little bit lower. See how close this one is? This one's definitely a little bit lower. So this one, again, kind of has that up and then down. Of course, I would think of a Nike symbol. Kind of curves around and then comes back. It's almost like he's kind of squinting his eye a little bit. One of them, The Rock used to do that, or Dwayne Johnson. For you older art fans out there, The Rock used to do that thing with his eyebrow. I can't do that, else I would try to do that for you guys. Anyways, here, so eye goes right under there, so kind of like an egg shape or an oval, right under. I guess it kind of tilts a little bit this way, not straight up and down, kind of tilts a little bit. So we kind of got our egg shape for the eye on this side. And then this one, there's definitely some more space, but it's about at the same size. Sometimes people use a little measuring stick to kind of make sure that they're at about the same size. If you want to put a kind of a line, sometimes that helps onto there so that it's about the same. So this one, same thing. I started out with my big circle. I kind of do a light one, so they're about the same size. And then when I feel confident about that, and I make it about the same. Pretty good. Side. And then he does not have a nose, which is kind of a little bit different, but his mouth is almost like where this one would be pointing. Put a little dot onto there, almost where this eye is kind of pointing down, because this eye kind of goes this way. This one kind of curves in this way. So put a little dot onto there, and then this kind of curves up pretty close to the eye over here. So it's kind of a straight line that kind of curves up, and then it kind of loops over to this side. And that's how he's got kind of his smirk on his face. You can add a little bit, kind of where this kind of comes down. You can add a little bit of a line. That would, I guess, kind of be his teeth part onto there. Add that. Okay, so that's the part for his mouth. And then under it, he's got kind of a little curly chin part, which is kind of a silly little part. But if you kind of start with a dot and then follow that dot around and stop. Almost kind of like an upside down 6 or a G, uppercase G. Kind of goes like that. And we got kind of the head done for our Buzz Lightyear. Pretty good already. Okay, on the outside, I would say probably about the middle of the eyes. You can do kind of an ear shape on this side, and same thing on this side over here. So they kind of match up. You can line them up that way. That works pretty good. And now we go to the wings, his kind of statement wings on there, which I really like this part. So this part kind of comes in the middle of the ear, kind of angles out. So you can do a line kind of going that way, and then that same kind of angle going the other way. It can be kind of tricky. So start out lightly again. So this kind of angles this way. This one kind of goes this way. And then on the bottom, I would probably say right under his kind of chin part, you can make a straight line. Now you can use a ruler if you want to make it a little bit more straight. I just kind of do it lightly and then make it dark. So that would be the part for the wing. And then this part will kind of go pretty close to the edge. It's kind of almost looks like a kind of marker shape, so it's nice and thick like a marker, or I guess like a bigger crayon onto there. So it kind of goes up. I'm going to put it pretty close to the edge, and then I can always fill in this spot. So I'm going to kind of go up, I would say taller than this part. So you kind of go up and then back down. And on this side, you can kind of connect this, make it fit over there, make his wings a little bit longer. Okay, that's on that side, and then do the same thing over on this side. So good. Okay, now the last couple parts, a line from here that connects just about under the ear, a line going from this side, and same thing over here, a line going all the way to this side. And then this kind of has the stripes, they're kind of at an angle each one, so we'll do 4. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing over here. 4. Onto there. And the last little detail is on these little end wings is a kind of line that starts right in the middle of this section. Kind of goes over, down, and over, almost like a Z. And this one goes the opposite, so I guess like an S. Kind of goes over, down, and then over. And there we got our Buzz Lightyear. This looks awesome. I like this one. So then I'll go through and I'll add Sharpie onto this. I'll add some color, decide which color I want to use, and then do a fantastic background, of course. So let's go through that. All right, guys, there it is. Got my Buzz Lightyear. I think it turned out fantastic. So there it is. So thank you guys for watching. As always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's art channel, and we will talk to you guys later. There it is, bonus feature. Everybody say hi.